What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Wiz, back again with another video. So in this video, I just want to do a real quick just talking video about my thoughts on steroids and steroid use and steroids in bodybuilding, just everything about steroids in general. Me personally, I've never taken steroids. I would never take steroids because I'm the type of guy where it's like, if it's something that can be done and there's a risk that you could get hurt, I'm gonna be the one to take it and die off of it because that's just, you know, my luck. But no, in all seriousness, I just feel like when it comes to steroids, it's just like, it's probably two reasons that people take steroids, right? Either you just wanna, of course, you know, be bigger. Of course, you're working out, you're recovering faster, I guess, makes you stronger. So, you know, it's an ego thing, you know what I'm saying? You just want to improve the way you look, improve your athletic ability, you know what I'm saying? You have those type of people, and then you have the type of people that you know, they're trying to further their career. Social media and attention, and everybody's watching, and it's easy to impress people, you know what I'm saying? If that drives up your likes and drives up your engagement, and you have some type of business, or if you compete and you're trying to do something like that, trying to boost up whatever type of thing that you're into from like a financial standpoint, that will be another reason that somebody would take steroids. Now, I've never ever considered taking steroids because although I want to get big and I'm trying to get big at, you know, as big as possible inside of my genetic potential, I really don't want to be any bigger than that. I feel like, you know, if I was to look myself in the mirror, you know, not saying I'm the greatest man with, you know, the greatest amount of integrity, but if I look myself in the mirror and know that, you know, I got all these muscles and, you know, busting out of everything, and it's because of like some type of treatment that I have to consistently get, it's just not gonna make me feel good. Hell, sometimes I even feel bad. I even start to think like, dang, like would I be anything without pre-workout? Like, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, I come to the grips that I probably wouldn't be anything without caffeine, but that's another story. When I think about steroid use, it's really not that impressive to me for someone to have that type of I guess assistance, or what's the word I'm looking for? Just I don't want to say advantage because, you know, you might not even be competitive behind it, but I just don't think that type of assistance, you know, from that type of you know, medical standpoint, drugs, pretty much taking drugs is really that, it shouldn't be that serious, man. Like I said, I understand you're trying to make money. I understand if, you know, you need it to compete. I just, you know, I really hope if you are doing that you're honest about it, because, you know, as you know, if you guys are subscribed to my channel, you know, I'm in the OCB, you know, men's physique. I'm an OCB men's physique competitor on my pro card, first show. Check out the video right here. Check it out. But yeah, the reason I chose to go with the OCB was because of the whole drug testing, which I'm pretty sure, I don't know, man, I seen some of them dudes, man, some of them dudes that be at the pro shows, dudes is looking kind of big. I question, man, like, I hope ain't nobody slipping through the cracks, but hey, maybe people's genetics is better than mine. But I chose the OCB because I felt as though they were the best organization that, you know, for just natural bodybuilding, and I want to be amongst natural people that you know, are putting in the same work that I'm putting in, and the only advantage that they may have over me is things out of their control, like their genetics or something like that. Or, you know, maybe they may have a better process, a better split, or maybe more dedicated to me. Like, you know, let the dedication be the test between whether or not you beat me, not because I'm sitting here working my ass off, or you sitting there working your ass off, and I'm sitting here injecting myself. It's just not fair, man. And regardless of the fact of competing aside, it's just like like I said, it's just like, really, I see guys walking around the gym, you know, they all like, and you can just tell, like, they putting their shirt and doing all that stuff, and, you know what I'm saying, doing their thing. Like, I don't hate on nobody, but like I said, it's just like, it's really not all that impressive to me when I see somebody and it's like they're clearly on steroids, like year round. Like, bro, you always look like, I see you get bigger, but you always look like you're cutting. You always look like you're cutting. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You're getting bigger, but at the same time, you're staying dense. You're veined up. I mean, don't get me wrong, like, I have one body. I know how my body works, and I can't speak for everybody and say that if your body is showing certain signs, even though there are proven signs of steroid use, I can't sit here and say that I know somebody's on steroids. But I mean, come on, man, like, it's not that hard to tell. So that's just my 2 cents. That's just my 2 cents on steroid use. I feel like it's understandable, but at the same time, it's not impressive at all. You know what I'm saying? And it's very easy to spot. And I just hope that people that look to certain, because I've been that guy that have looked up to certain fitness personalities and fitness people on YouTube and Instagram, and buy my stuff, do this program, and it's like you'll never ever look like how they look. No matter how hard you work out, no matter how much you eat, no matter how much you do what they do, you know what I'm saying? They're selling you a blueprint that didn't get them what you see. So you just gotta be aware, man. You just gotta be realistic, learn how your body works, and just try to bring out the best package that you can with your genetic potential. It's all about genetics. It's all about work and genetics and fitness, you know what I'm saying, resistance training and nutrition. That's it. That's all you can do. I mean, it's a couple supplements here and there that can help you out, creatine, vitamin D3, things like that, but it's not going to be too drastic, you know what I'm saying? It's not going to boost you past your genetic potential is pretty much what I'm saying. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, or even cared what I think about steroids. Not a hater, man, just had to keep it real. I'll be seeing a lot of just funny stuff in the gym, and you know, men and women, man. I don't want to just single out dudes like only dudes use steroids, man. It's people at my gym, females at my gym, that it's just like, come on, man, like, you might grow a beard if you keep if you keep up what you're doing, you know, testosterone use. But yeah, man, if you like this video, go ahead and drop a like, you know what I'm saying, drop a comment, let me know what you think about steroids. Have you ever used steroids? Am I wrong to say that, you know, pretty much how I feel about steroids? Do you feel like it's wrong? Even though my opinion can't be wrong, it's my opinion, but just let's talk about it. Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.